about the fire season?
Certainly. But first of all, if I could offer condolences on behalf of Dublin Fire Brigade, Dublin Down County Council. Dublin Fire Brigade received a call this morning at about 4:24 informing of the fire at the site here behind us. Dublin Fire Brigade responded, 3 fire tenders and a senior officer to the scene, and at 4:34 on arrival were met with quite a substantial and well-established fire scene. The fire crews got to work immediately and set about dealing with the fire and the blaze. There were a number of people removed from the scene by ambulances, both the National Ambulance Service and Dublin Fire Brigade. They were taken to hospital. There were 2 adults and 2 children removed. And Garda Chief Hall will outline the number of fatalities that are on scene.
Chief Super?
Firstly, I would offer my condolences and the condolences of Garda Síochána to the families that have lost their lives and have been injured in this terrible tragedy. I also want to extend those condolences to the wider traveller community. At the moment, the scene is preserved. The Garda Technical Bureau has arrived and commenced their investigation. The assistant state pathologist has also arrived, and that investigation will commence now and it will carry on for a considerable period of time. All the relevant agencies have been engaged to assist in dealing with this terrible tragedy. The Southside traveller community has assisted us in providing their facilities in Sandyford, where they will meet, where the facility would help to meet all the people who have been affected by this terrible tragedy. A number of Garda liaison officers have been appointed, and some of them are present here, and they're also present at Sandyford Meeting Centre to engage and assist the families in this terrible tragedy that has just occurred today.
Chief Superintendent, can you clarify how many people have lost their lives in this tragedy, and can you provide a possible breakdown on the victims themselves?
At the moment, all I can confirm that there are 9 people have lost their lives. A number of children are included in this number.
Can you clarify how many children have died?
At the moment, I'm not in a position to clarify exactly how many have died, but that there are 9 and there are a number of children.
Do you have an idea in relation to the ages of those children?
Some of the children are as young as 6 months, I believe.
Do you know, Chief Super, what the cause of the fire was at the stage?
At the moment, we're trying to establish the cause of fire, and we have no reason or no information at the moment as to how it came about. That's the purpose of what we're trying to do at this very point in time.
Do you have any details on the condition of the people who have been treated in hospital at the moment?
I'm not in a position actually to state what is the condition.
Chief Superintendent, is there any help that you require from the public, or anything, any statement you would like the media to relay?
Yeah, I think Martin was going to deal with that aspect of the inquiries.
Well, as the Chief Superintendent said, and our colleagues from the fire services, they responded to the call shortly after 4:30 this morning. So we'll be appealing to anybody who might have any information with regard to any sightings or came across anything which would have benefit to this investigation forward. Contact the incident bureau at the Garda station, 3650.
And was you alerted by a member of the public with an emergency phone call?
It was a member of the public who contacted the ambulance, the fire control centre, and contacted Garda Síochána, and thereafter Garda Síochána responded as well at the same time as the fire service.
Do you know how many people are residents in the site?
There are 4 bays.
We asked the fire brigade, the paramedics here, do they have much difficulty getting out of the fire? What's the situation they actually had to